All right, here goes round 2 of tree removal with 1.5 pounds of In the Red. See if it works.
Nice!
Damn, scared the shit. You got it, Joe.
Good shot, Joe.
On video.
Good shot, Joe.
You did.
Oh man, you guys hear that kaboom?
Kaboom!
So cool.
Well, ATF might be here soon, but that was awesome. We got to go check this out.
We gotta see the damage. Good shit.
Ah,
Finally, first shot!
no kidding. That was sweet. I wish it would have blew the tree over, but that was awesome. I bet.
Well, I think
Wow.
tomorrow.
It put a lot bigger hole in it though.
Let's just say I ain't climbing it.
Hey, we'll try her tomorrow. Or maybe we'll do her again tonight.